Capitred is the revolutionary stair renewal system from Zamma Corporation that can beautify and add value to your home by dramatically renovating and renewing your stairs. If you are considering replacing your floors or have already replaced your floors and want to beautify your stairs, Capitred is the stair renewal system for you. It is easy to install, coordinates with most vinyl and laminate floors, and fits most existing stairs, including both closed and open treads, with little or no modification. Installation is as easy as measure, cut, glue, and install. And because it coordinates with your existing flooring, you're adding beauty and value to your home at a huge savings over traditional wood stair installations. Plus, it carries a 20-year warranty. To learn more about the Capitred Stair Renewal System, including a complete listing of available components, installation videos, and other tips and tricks, check out the Capitred section of Zamma.com.